All right, new day, headed to the scrapper. Bunch of crap just accumulating. Here we go. Yeah, my truck weighs like 4,000 pounds is what I should be weighing.
Does she still remember times like these? To think of us again.
Alright, decent day scrapping.
And I do.
No. I may have to just paint it and then steel wool it off.
That's gonna look so much better.
I'll hit it again. That's funny because the ones that were the best looking ones were the ones that where the paint didn't come off of them.
They painted them silver?
Yeah. So they were originally like gray, but not chrome or whatever the fuck they had going. We're gonna get the windows tinted. I was gonna do it myself too, I think. Why wouldn't I? After I power washed it, you can see the paint all over the place. I only paid like a couple $100, I think, for the rims. My Craigslist or whatever it was. I think that's the first time I ever used Craigslist. I got a couple cans of this, even if I'll just do it till it's good, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna put the trims back on it. I might put the center caps in it.
That looks way better.
And this is rust inhibitor too, so.
Your freedom lies, the streets are fields that never die. Deliver me from reasons why you'd rather cry. I'd rather fly.
What's it gonna look like? Yeah, I like that.
It's kind of tight.
I like that.
Once they're all black. It's kind of tight. I'm gonna probably finish this can on them, and then I'll start the last one. That'll be good solid coat. It looks way better, like all one color anyway. Better than the red.
I think it looks good. I think it looks better than just the black. I think the black doesn't look bad, but
That looks tight as fuck though. I mean,
it makes it look more like scarier, not like in a bad way.
without
Like
it, yeah. I gotta get this grass mowed. Almost gonna get away from me. I'm gonna start in the front. Oh, there's gonna be a lot of weed eating in the back. I'll do that shit with the tractor. The front too, I want it to look good when your mom gets home. This fucking weed eater, man, that thing is badass. I guess there's string in it, I'm gonna run with it. All right. Yard work. Gotta earn my keep. Your mama keeps me. I didn't even put the long extension on it. I just put it on the end of this. I can't even imagine. I want to get that shit out of my fucking truck. I'm not gonna catch any of those fucking cactuses because that's shitty. No matter how many times and how much I pay attention, it's all over my hands when I get done, watch, and I haven't touched one.